Candy washing machine. How to reset. Sometimes, resetting your candy washing machine can be the easiest way to fix minor issues and restore normal operation. If your machine has stopped mid-cycle, is displaying an error, or isn't functioning as expected, a reset might help. Here's when and how to do it. When should you reset your candy washing machine? Resetting the washing machine is not always necessary, but it can be helpful in situations like cycle interruption. If your machine stops working during a wash cycle or shows an error code, resetting it can often clear the issue. Software glitches. Sometimes, the machine system may experience minor software errors that can be fixed with a simple reset. Malfunctioning functions. If the machine isn't rinsing properly, stops before completing a cycle, or doesn't respond to commands, a reset can help restore its normal operation. A reset is a quick and easy way to fix small problems without needing professional service. How to reset a candy washing machine. Step by step 1. Turn off the machine. The first step is to completely turn off your washing machine. Press the power button on the control panel to switch it off. If your machine has a display, it should go blank, indicating that it's powered down. 2. Unplug the machine from power. For a full reset, unplug the washing machine from the electrical outlet. If your appliance is hardwired, turn off the circuit breaker that supplies power to the machine. This step ensures that the machine completely shuts down and clears any stored errors. 3. Wait for a few minutes. After disconnecting the power, wait for about 5 minutes. This allows the internal memory of the washing machine to reset and clear any minor glitches. 4. Reconnect the power and turn it on. Plug the washing machine back into the outlet or switch on the circuit breaker. Then, press the power button to turn the machine on. It should now be reset, and any previous errors should be cleared. 5. Start a new wash cycle. To check if the reset was successful, start a new wash cycle using standard settings. Observe whether the machine operates correctly. If it runs smoothly without interruptions, the reset has worked. By following these simple steps, you now know candy washing machine, how to reset, ensuring your appliance runs efficiently without unnecessary service calls.